Hey guys, it's from Cloud, leader of the boss room, here with another command block tutorial. Today we're going to be doing, Shear Heart Attack. The command blocks are pre-made, so make sure to follow along and sometimes pause the video. You can change it to whatever type of, item you want. It doesn't have to be specifically gunpowder. Also, you can do any tag. Also, you can name the armor stand something else. And it doesn't have to be a diamond helmet. Well, I'm just stating the obvious now. I don't know why I stayed on that for a long time. And now you're going to have to teleport these guys to each other. Did I forget to show the zombie command? Oh yeah, you also have to summon a zombie. Yeah, also you're going to need a 20 tick. Then you're going to have to weather rain so that it doesn't die, and that's just for fun. And now you're going to have to follow these effects if you want to create a sheer heart attack type effect. Oh yeah, if you want to play in my JoJo Minecraft world, which is constantly getting updates, follow or add as a friend Crimson Cloud 1446. I mean Crimson Wolf 1446 with no spaces. And if you want to play in the world, do the same thing. And also do the JoJo Minecraft group posts. Also, each time just copy the same commands with with adding 100 ticks each time. You can do war, but it's just what I do. Why did that random person join? I don't even know this person. Yeah. Slash kick that person. Yeah, you don't have to watch this part, just skip to a point in the video that I'll probably put in the description below. Or just look for it yourself, and then comment down below. Oh yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and there's no reason not to subscribe, you're just supporting a small YouTube channel. But then why would I be guilt tripping? Why would I make you all not subscribe? Just subscribe if you do or don't want to. This one, yeah. And then I added a cooldown just for fun, but you don't have to do what I did. And now now time to show you guys how much damage it can do. And also, it will automatically two-shot anything besides stuff with resistance. Like, let's say if you had resistance 2, it wouldn't two-shot you, or resistance 1. It would probably 3-shot you with resistance 1 and 4-shot you with. Yeah, you get the point. Also, it has no weaknesses. Wait, why did I have absorption? I never did that. It doesn't do any straight up damage, but then it does that much damage each time it explodes. And I need to fix that glitch where it picks up armor. I guess that's it. Have a great day and a great life. Goodbye.